Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update WhatsApp on laptop and PC. So I'm here right now in my PC, and to do that, what we're going to do is look for the Microsoft Store. So just go ahead and type here store, just like so. And then from here, we're going to head over to the downloads folder and then go ahead and click check for updates right here. Now you could also go ahead and try to click WhatsApp right here. And if say, for example, you are going to see the app, normally there's like an update button right here. But as you can see, I've already clicked that one earlier. So that's why it's uploading. So I'm just going to pause right up and just going to play this one. All right, now let's head back here and you can see that there are updates going on and including WhatsApp. So yeah, seems like update is now being queued. And once everything is done, we should be able to have an updated WhatsApp. So basically, that's how you are going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.